What's up, guys? It is Tyson Tyler here, and today we are playing Homeless Simulator in Teardown. No, I'm kidding. I did lose my job. I had to take a pretty high-paying job. What the high-paying job was put me as a homeless person, aka an assassination, dressed up as a homeless person in the future. Yeah. So we gotta try and blend in as much as we can still, because we're trying to be secret about this so-called assassination from the government, apparently. Yeah. I don't know why. I don't know why they chose me. I don't know. I don't want to, but I have to. I mean, I kind of do want to. It's gonna be cool as heck, but... So, see? This... So, yeah, this is a map called CYBERDOWN. I forget who it's made by, but... And I'll tell you the map name. It's CYBERDOWN. Oh, see, hold on. That guy's illegal gambling. See, he's gonna look around. He's looking around. He looked at me. He knew I was watching him. Look at this guy. Now this guy's gonna go. He's gonna see the dead body. We're gonna snipe him in the head. So we're just gonna strap a bomb to that. What? Huh? Why would you strap a bomb to something? That doesn't make any sense. Wait a minute. Hold up. Can I technically car jump? Hold on. If I park my car and hop out in here. But you gotta kind of get pushed through there. That's kind of how this needs to work. Is he gonna explode? Wait, did they actually explode? Oh my god, he did! There was a car. He came out the other end and exploded. Oh, and the bus ran into him. Look at the bus. Oh, that hit. That was a hit. See, and then he comes out that end and he explodes. Or you could just go bink, 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 and just mow the cars down. Yeah. Okay, so, wait, where's my jetpack? I don't have a jetpack mod on. Does that just mean I can... Oh, it just means I can do this. It's just spacebar. Okay, good, this all exploded in the air. So, first target is that guy right there, because he's illegally cooking. Dude. What? They look like they're gonna do a meetup to sell illegal iPhones. Yes, iPhones are illegal in the future because they were too good for people to handle. Hold up. Oh wait, that was a complete miss. Hold on. I'm trying to snipe that group of people. I need to aim higher. Hold up. I'm almost there. Nailed them. Now, let's see, did any of them survive? No. Oh, you did, but... Ding. Now, I am going to... What if I just cut a whole building down? Hold on. Ow. Oh, ow. Ooh. Can't I? Oh, I can rob stores. Like that? I'm not gonna rob stores. That seems completely pointless. See, it's another one of those illegal cooker guys. Pink. Oh, these things are all covered in metal, so you can't technically cut a building down. Dang it. Back of the head. Destroy that. Bam. No, the bus! Nobody can make it through that hole now. Wait, what? The cars don't respawn? I thought the cars respawned after a little bit. Bink. It's weird, they make like a little electronic noise when you kill them. Oh, see, I see you're trying to rob them. Just gonna kill all the guys. Break the illegal gambling machine. Shoot the manhole. Oh my gosh, look at this pile up. Oh, that's why there's like an exit right here. Hold up. First try. Oh, yeah, I actually hit him. Boom. Hold on. Hold on. Let me cook. Let me cook. Oh, that was a hit. That was a hit. What about that? And that? Hold on. I'm trying to drop every single car here. Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. That is not child appropriate. Whoa, wait, hold on, hold on. That's one of the guys we're meant to take out. Because we're all talking with the illegal businessmen, so we have to terminate you. Wait, what? The car doesn't work. This car doesn't work. Car doesn't work. Think. I'm just gonna wait. What about this car? I know I'm stealing cars right now. I know this is a very big crime. Why the heck do none of the cars work? Oh, weird. Is she talking about something? They were using an illegal gambling machine. Yeah, the cars literally don't work. Even if I use my controller, they still don't work. Okay, now my theory is... I need to find something that's not thick. Like a building that's not insanely thick. This is not better than my Asus. These laptops are not... I mean, those desktops are not better than my Asus. Wait, hold on. I can go up here. Wait, what if I try to cut down a building from the roof of another building? Hold on. Ah, that was not needed. Wait a minute, there's a look to see this guy stuck in the tunnel. Okay, some more will be done. Oh wow, it's only been 8 minutes. Wait a minute, hold on, I gotta check something out. Hold up. Okay, so we're going back to the main menu. Hold on, just close your eyes. Hold on. Yeah, the mod where I got all the cars to chase me was called the Hack Vehicle mod, where you just hack the vehicles and then they all chase you. So yeah. Okay, they sent me back in time, but they equipped me with something new. Did that actually work? No, it didn't. But the buses are like indestructible. Every single car is turned on now, but not a single car is actually gonna chase me. That's oh wait, you can just de-hack them? What the? Ah, yes, I love just lighting a person on fire for no reason. That was really weird. If I just tear into the side of the bus and so no matter how long, like, oh wait, oh they do crash. Hold up, I didn't think they actually crash. Oh wait, oh no, oh no. Okay, I gotta stop shooting down all the cars. I want to have a little bit of fun with the cars. You're gonna die as well. Oh, cups up. E. Okay, good. The cars are working again. Now, so you just plow the little small cars out of your way. Or ram a big car because it's fun. Oh! That was lucky. I shouldn't have even tried that. But, do you have a car? Oh, I thought there was a person who just fell. It's a business guy. Remember, those guys are almost always on my hit list. Can I steal his car now? No, wait, the AI cars you can't hijack. You were probably talking to him, weren't you? You guys witnessed the illegal trade with the businessmen. You just witnessed all their death. You are selling illegal substances. Look at that PC. It's no longer existent because it's bad. Okay, so I need a really beefy car, and then what I'm gonna do. Oh, see, now the car stopped working again. Oh, I hit it when the car stopped working. I'm like, why? Why do they not work? Why? Why? Huh? Why? Okay, we're gonna reset. We're gonna try. Okay. Remember, only hit the small cars, because then I can still fly a bit. Oh wait, never mind. That's not how that works. I just hit a small car and I just completely died. I'm just gonna. Bro! Was that my fault or his fault? I feel like that was probably my fault. Wait, is he still driving? Whatever's still driving? That was really boring. Legal exchanges? Sorry, just had to talk about something. It's not quiet! Hold on, I'm gonna chase this guy down. So I was just yelling at my sister. She said she'd be quiet, but she's not actually being quiet. Oh crap, I'm dead. Dink, 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 dum dum, dink, dum dum. Why is there no 7-Eleven? Oh, I shot this car, I think. Hold on, there's some cars where if you shoot that. Wait, did I shoot every single car in the map, or why no? Oh, no, it's because a bus hit them. That's why. Cause see, I think if they take a slight impact, they completely crash. Wait, oh, please say I didn't shoot this one. Oh yes, my theory's right. If you shoot them or they get damaged, then they can don't drive. So wait, what if I just went KO? Da 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 da. Wait, how am I still alive? All my friends that burn up. Da da da. Do do da 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 da. There we go. That was really cool. But do you think I can take it the bus? Hold up. You know what I always have to do is not. Oh, the bus died. Wait, are they all following a speed limit? Because I'm going faster than the exact same car. Oh, wait, he just fell into oblivion. Nobody's gonna just say anything about how the bird just fell into oblivion here. Just strap this car full of. Oh god. I thought to myself, hey, maybe if we strap this car full of nitroglycerin, it's totally not just gonna explode the second something touches it. I was wrong. Come on, come on, come on. Racing for the kid. Wait a minute, you know what I have to do is what if because I know I can somewhat get in these things. So what if, hear me out, what if I send me through. Okay, now I'm just gonna cause a big pileup. This is not what I meant to do. Okay, wait, why did I even use a car to get into there? I forgot I have the jetpack mod enabled. Anyway, I have a really quick question as to does the cable block off things? But I can't connect the cable to a cable. Deku dock dem, deku dock dem, ah. Wait, will that actually stop him, or do they just... No, yeah, they just plow right through it. But with the prank, I don't think they do. Deku dock dem, deku dock dem. Oh, wait, that's... Well, oh, it's not attached to the ground, that's why. Yeah! Oh, no, wait, but it stops them. Hold on. The little bro actually is trying to avoid it? I'm confused now. Oh, yeah, see, there's a guy stuck, so now nobody's making it out. Oh! You little... That was the guy who hit me. Wait, oh, he almost took out that yellow car. We're just gonna say he did take out that yellow car. I think this car still drives. Lights up the car. Well, businessman. Done. Another businessman. Done. Should I just drive one of these into a car and like into a building at like block 1? Evertides. Oh yeah, take that. Take that, Evertides. Wait, Evertides Mall? Hold up. I have an idea. What if we just... Wait, I have the laser gun. Hold up. Wait, can I cut through, like, the... Oh, wait, the laser gun causes fire. Oh, but now I'm not coming through the building. Wait, but I do have a thermite cannon, so maybe, just maybe. Oh my gosh, this building's flammable. Oh, I'm just gonna light the whole building on fire. Oh, that billboard's also flammable. Oh, this lady's also flammable. Yeah, wait, she's not flammable. Why have the humans made out of, like, pure metal? Seriously, don't just get damaged by me absolutely torching you? Yeah, that doesn't damage you at all. There we go. Just get off the ground, buddy. Seriously, how does this sushi guy not get killed while this absolutely torches? I don't know, teardown physics don't make sense to me. Also, I think the government are very disappointed. So, I figured out a way. We have to go find... Oh, wait. Let's go up here. Let's hop out. No, my car! No, I can't have this car die, no! I just realized that those are stairs. Oh, that was... Oh, dang it, this thing's broken. It's like, yeah, I can't do anything with it now, because it's not dead, like, it's still drivable, it's just in the wrong spot to be drivable. Oh, hold up. It's not important right now. Crap, okay, yeah, this thing's not drivable. Minecraft? Little bro, it's called Teardown. Little bro just asked if I was playing Minecraft. Hold up. Okay, I have to do that, though. We have to get back. We have to get back to the present. So, here. First, what we have to do is we have to fly up onto a building. Why did my roof just come off? Thinking, I think, okay, we're good up here. Okay, what do I have to put? Ah, yes, rocket boost. No, vehicle thrusters. Let's take that off. What's up, guys? No, I'm kidding. that was the wrong button. I keep forgetting that's Control, not C. We're going into the future! I mean, sorry, the past! Hold on, we have to go Mach 1 into a building. I think that's how this works. That should provide us with the electricity that... Hold on. This is the time travel. This is the time traveling menu. I get to choose which place I get to go to. Evertide's Mall. What the? Whoa, whoa, whoa. See? It worked. I'm back. But I still have some weapons. So, let's cut off the roof of the Evertide's Mall. Oh, wait. Hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. Hold up. I just cut a piece of roof down on top of me. Oh wait, the roof catches on fire. Oh, that's great. What I'm thinking is that if we just cut the whole glass roof down, you know how cool that would be? This is the finale, is me cutting down the roof. I've never actually been able to do this. I've always tried to, but I've never been able to actually do it. So I love how we just catch a cold wall on fire in the process. Aha, the government's real happy with me. But seriously, where the heck did I even get stuck? I love how the walls are burning down and nobody cares. Like, there's not a single person in the mall. It's just like an empty, deserted mall as the guy just cuts the roof off. Alright, I have to achieve this glory. This is how Teardown works. If one pixel is attached, the roof will stay. Oh. That's why it's not working. The tree's holding it up. I think there's a little bit more than just the tree, but the tree was doing something. Oh yeah, that's holding it up. What am I doing that's making this not work? Ah! Oh, you're kidding. I cut the roof off, now it just needed to fall. Or we could just... Okay, well, that is the end of today's video. We're just gonna light the whole mall on fire for the finale, because why the absolute heck not? Yep, so that is the end of today's video. We got to travel back in time. I'm hoping to get back to my house. I got a new house. The government gave it to me for completing the mission. It's not as nice as the mansion, but that was the end of the video.